Alright, so this question is taken from Canberra Secondary School. Quadratic Inequalities is the name of the topic from the additional math subject in Singapore schools. Alright, find the range of values of x for which 3 bracket 2x squared minus 1 close bracket is less than 3x multiplied by open bracket 2 minus x close bracket. Alright, so let's do A first. Okay, so 2x squared minus 1 less than 3x 2 minus x. Okay, expand this. 3 times 2x squared will be 6x squared. 3 times minus 1 will be minus 3 less than 6x minus 3x squared. Okay, bring 3x squared to the left hand side of the equation. We'll get 6x squared plus 3x squared. Okay, 6x, bring it to the left hand side of the equation, it becomes minus 6x. Minus 3 stays as it is. 6x squared plus 3x squared will be 9x squared minus 6x minus 3 less than 0. Okay, can I extract any common factors that I can extract here? Yes, I can extract 3 and 3x squared minus 2x minus 1 less than 0. Okay, let's go on to factorize this. You can see that this is in the form of ax squared plus bx plus c. So it's actually a quadratic equation. Okay, this is also a quadratic equation, ax squared plus bx plus c. Alright, so let's factorize this. Okay, 3x x 1 x times 1 x 3x times 1 3x, but what they wanted was minus 2x, so the only way we can get minus 2x if we put a negative sign here. Minus 3x plus x will give you negative 2x, but if you put a negative sign here, this has to be negative, because the only way we can get negative sign here is if this is negative. So 3x times minus 1 will give you minus 3x, and x times 1 will give you x. So 1 times minus 1 will give you minus 1, which corresponds with this. 3x multiplied by x will give you 3x squared. So we've just factorized the expression. 3x plus 1 x minus 1 less than 0. Okay, so we want to find out where it cuts the x-intercept. So let 3x plus 1 equals to 0, 3x equals to minus 1, x equals to minus 1/3. Okay, let x minus 1 equals to 0, x equals to 1. And we know the shape of the curve is a smiling shape, because the coefficient of x squared is positive, which is 9. Okay, if the coefficient is negative, it is a sad shape. It looks like that, but since the coefficient is positive, okay, looks like that. Okay, so this is minus 1/3, the leftmost intercept, and the rightmost intercept is 1. Alright, and since they want the part of the curve that is less than this line, less than 0, okay, the answer is x is greater than minus 1/3. The answer is depicted by the shaded region. Okay, greater than minus 1/3 and less than 1. Alright, okay, let's do B now. Okay, find the values of k for which the line 2y plus kx is equals 10k, and this is a tangent to the curve xy minus 4 equals to 6x. Okay, so let's scroll down to the next page. Alright, so let me just write the questions. The equations involved. 2y plus kx is equals to 10k, and xy minus 4 is equals to 6x. So now we're supposed to solve for k, and the question told us that it's a tangent. So that means the line actually touches the curve at only one point. Okay. So from here, shall we make y the subject? So 2y is equals to 10k minus kx. Okay, positive kx, you bring it to the right hand side of the equation. Y is equals to 10k minus kx over 2. And we know that the other equation goes like this: xy minus 4 equals to 6x. Can we substitute this 1 into 2? Okay, so we sub 1 into 2. Okay, x, okay, y is 10k minus kx over 2 minus 4 equals to 6x. Okay, can I multiply by 2 throughout? Okay, I want to get rid of this denominator 2. Once I've multiplied by 2, x times 10k will give me 10kx. X times minus kx will give me minus kx squared. Okay, minus 4 times 2 will give me minus 8. 6x times 2 will give me 12x. Alright, so rearrange it, or rather bring everything to the right hand side of the equation. You get 0 is equals to kx squared. Negative kx squared, you bring it to the right hand side, will give you kx squared. 10kx, bring it to the right hand side, will give you minus 10kx. Plus 12x minus 8, bring it to the right hand side, will give me positive 8. Okay, now can I rearrange it? 0 is equals to kx squared. Now look at these two terms. You know that x is a common factor, so shall I extract x plus x, and I'll get 12 minus 10k plus 8. Okay, does this look like a quadratic equation in the form of ax squared? Okay, quadratic expression, okay, occurs in the form of ax squared plus bx plus c. Alright, so ax squared plus bx plus c. Alright, hope you follow. Ax squared plus bx plus c. Okay, can you see the resemblance here? Alright. Okay, so now since they tell us that it's a tangent, that means the curve and the line only touch at one point. So we use the discriminant. Okay, and we let the discriminant, we have to use the discriminant in such a way that it's equals to 0. So b squared minus 4ac equals to 0. So in this case, b, okay, bx, okay, b is 12 minus 10k, minus 4, a is just k, and c is 8, equals to 0. Expand this. Okay, what you get, okay, let me just, not enough space here, so okay, what I get is 12 squared minus 2 times 12 times 10k plus 100k squared minus 32k is equals to 0. Okay, a squared minus 2ab, okay, 12 and 10k plus b squared is just 10k squared, which is 100k squared. 4 times k times 8 is 32k, and since there's a negative sign, we put a negative sign here. Simplify this. 144 minus 240k, 2 times 12 is 24, 24 times 10 is 240k, plus 100k squared minus 32k is equals to 0. Further simplify it. Okay, put the 100k squared in front. Okay, minus 240k minus 32k will be minus 272k, plus 144 is equals to 0. Let me divide by 2. I get 50k squared minus 136k plus 72 is equals to 0. Further divided by 2, 25k squared minus 68k plus 36 is equals to 0. Okay, now let me factorize this. Okay, because I want to find the value of k. Alright, so let's try 25k times k, that will give me 25k squared, okay, which is what I want. Okay, 36. Okay, I'll express it as 18 times 2. 18 times 2 is equal to 36. Worry about the signs later. Just think about the absolute number. So 18 times 2 is equal to 36. Worry about the signs later. 25k times 2 will give me 50k. K times 18 will give me 18k. Wow, okay, so it looks pretty good. Okay, we got it on our first attempt. So since they want a negative 68k here, we're going to put a minus sign here and here, because only if I do that, then minus 18k minus 50k will give me minus 68k. But if I put a minus sign here, here is going to be minus. If I put a minus sign here, here is going to be minus. So minus 18 times minus 2 will give me 36, and 25k times k will give me 25k squared. So can you see all the terms are similar? 36, 36, minus 68k, minus 68k. Okay, this is positive 36. Alright, so 25k minus 18 is equals to 0. 25k is equals to 18. K is equals to 18 over 25. Okay. Also, k minus 2 is equals to 0, k is equals to 2. So these are your two answers. 18 over 25 and k is equals to 2.